Ever felt like you're stuck in financial warp speed, waiting for a transfer to hit your account? We've all been there. But what if you banked with Lunar? Is it a speedy lunar launch or a slow crawl to the moon? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off and explore exactly how long lunar transfers take. Domestic or international? Knowing your destination is key. Before we dive into specifics, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Is your transfer a domestic mission, staying within the same country, or an international voyage venturing out to new financial frontiers? This plays a big role in how long it'll take to land in your account. Domestic delights, Lunar to the rescue, mostly instantly. Let's start with the good news. Domestic transfers within Denmark are like a rocket launch. Lunar boasts instant transfers, meaning the money zooms to the recipient's account within seconds. That's right, no waiting, no panicking, just instant financial gratification. For our friends in Sweden and Norway, domestic transfers take a bit longer, but it's still a smooth ride. Expect the transfer to reach its destination within 1 to 3 business days. That's still pretty speedy compared to traditional banks, so you won't be left waiting for ages. International intrigue, a slightly longer lunar journey. Now, for those of you planning an international transfer with Lunar, things get a bit more complex. Here's where those extra steps and potential layovers come into play. For Sweden and Norway, sending money abroad can take up to 5 business days. Denmark sees a slightly longer wait time, with international transfers taking up to 10 business days. Why the wait, Lunar? Blaming the banking black hole. So, what causes this international delay? It's not Lunar's fault. Blame the banking black hole. International transfers often involve multiple banks working together to get your money to its destination. These intermediary banks can add processing time, hence the wait. Keeping track of your lunar launch, tips for a smooth ride. Even though Lunar itself is super fast, remember, these are just estimates for international transfers. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth journey for your money. Double-check those details. Make sure you have the recipient's account information absolutely correct. Any typos or errors can cause delays and frustration. Consider the weekend effect. If you initiate a transfer on a Friday, it might not actually be processed until the following Monday. For international transfers, communicate with your recipient. Let them know you've sent the money and give them an estimated arrival date based on Lunar's information. Keep that receipt handy. If your transfer seems to be stuck in a lunar orbit, having a receipt from Lunar will help track it down. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.